So subjective, no? Depende sa appreciation mo of how it is being fought. O si Paolo, pati pala yung tatay.
Si Ben Viloria nandito.
Tatang Ben,
Oo.
Si Manong Ben with yung kanyang tattoo na asteroid.
Ayun, oh.
Ayan, pareho sila. Oh, ayun.
Oh, nagpapakita sila.
Yan po ang tatay ni Brian Viloria who is fighting in the main event to defend his WBO flyweight crown kontra kay Giovanni Segura, and that's a bout away actually. After this one, meron po tayong isang bout, and that will feature two foreigners for the IBF Interim Super Featherweight Championship, si Fasay Sakirin at saka si Martin Honorio of Mexico.
At I expect that to be a very short fight.
Pagsakan yun?
Oo.
Pwede maaga
Si Honorio at saka si Fasay. Palagay ko, mas maaga makakapasok si Viloria at Segura. But anyway, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Itong laban na to, maganda. Schedule for 12 tayo rito, ha? Si Sabaupan versus Gadapan. Both fighters missing now again. Yung southpaw dito, si Sabaupan. Gadapan now trying to establish some kind of control with the left jab. Ako sa tingin ko, Sabaupan has no clue to counter ang estilo ng kanyang kalaban. Hindi siya nag-jab. Tinitinin yung kalaban. He's hoping that yung kalaban niya ay pumasok so that makaka-counter siya. But at the same time, Chino, I don't think he has the skills to turn this into a brawl. He's a long-distance fighter with no jab.
Yeah, nakakapagtaka, pagka titignan natin, yung sabi nga, vaunted yung kanyang firepower, but yung mga sundok niya, Kinito, yung parang malayo, inaabot.
Oo.
He's overextending himself. Kaya na-expose tuloy yung mukha niya sa Gadapan na napakaganda pumik ng spots. Saka yung kanina, yung jab na sinasabi natin, baka talagang gusto niya pabagsak agad using the left. Kung mapapatamaan niya ng isang matibay na diin, yun ang laban niya. Yung jab, wala siya pakialam dun. And another, of course, ang turo nga nila sa mga gym, kung ang kalaban mo kanan at kay kaliwete, yung straight, parang vice versa din. Kung kanan ka at kaliwete naman yung kalaban mo, yung straight down the middle, yun, tumama,
Okay, nakatama doon si Sabaupan. So yung power niya, doon niya pinakita.
Better round for Sabaupan. The first two rounds I gave to Gadapan. Ang layo nung pinanggagalingan talaga Kinito, it's telegraph. Kitang-kita mo siyang dumarating. So kung talagang magaling ka kumounter, you can counter that open style, that attacking style. Pero dahil sa sheer aggression and being able to dictate, bibigay ko yung round na yun kay Sabaupan.
Ako din.
Yan. Doon,
sasama na ako sa'yo. But marami pang adjustment na kailangan ni Sabaupan. If he's to be a world-class fighter, to go to the next level, marami pa siyang dapat gawin sa gym. As you take a look at Jerry at Goody Peñalosa.
Ni Jerry at saka si Goody. Ang kwento sa akin ni Elmer Anuran, itong December, baka itong si Al Sabaupan can actually get #1 spot, #1 contender status sa kanyang division. Well, whether that is set to happen or whether that is really his destiny, magpakita muna siya dito sa atin ng gilas.
Well, some nice shots there coming from Al Sabaupan, showing aggressiveness, showing a lot of punches. So yung round number 3, kuhang-kuha yun ni Al Sabaupan. Yung nakikita ko dito, Chino, sayang na sayang yung kanan na kamay ni Sabaupan. He's got to be able to use that right hand a lot more. Gaya na nangyari sa career ni Manny Pacquiao when he got under the tutelage ni Freddie Roach. Napagamit ni Freddie yung kanan na kamay ni Manny Pacquiao. and he became a two-fisted fighter. Ito si Saubapan. You see, he's throwing a lot of lefts. Kulang na kulang yung kanyang kanan. But again, galing sa labas yung mga tira niya, no? They're not short, they're not crisp, chopping punches.
Buka-buka.
Oo. Of course, when you throw wide punches, you open yourself up for a counter. Ako feeling ko, no, he needs to be able to shorten the distance between siya at ang kanyang kalaban. Sawapa needs to be able to come inside and throw shots
Ayan,
that can hurt Gadapan.
Yung-
Now, he's taking control here with his power.
Yan talaga yung palabigasan niya, yung power niya. Once it connects, yun ang magbabago ng complexion. I think he's relying too much on that. Knowing na meron siyang, bonded yung kanyang strength. Pero ang kalaban niya, may skills yun. Sabihin natin may skills at least to handle the style of Subaupan na minsan sa corner din yan kinito. Pagka ganyan kalayo, dapat nakikita ng corner. That's at least half a step inside and then you will get your range.
Well, ang schedule natin dito is 12 rounds, Chino, no? So, you wonder if si Gadapan has the stamina to be able to survive 12 rounds because alam natin, last-minute substitute siya. But yung sinasabi natin, yung adjustment na kailangan ni Sabaupan dito, he needs to be able to take one step forward. He's a little too far from Gadapan to be able to hurt him consistently. Again, yung tira niya galing sa labas, oh.
Ang layo. Yung na-point out mo kanina kinito early on, it's fighting from a distance. Kung ikaw ay power, ang ganda ng kombinasyon na yun kinito ni Gadapan. And that rock, ito pong si Subaupan. Ayan na naman, oh. Tapos pag kumounder siya, kitang-kita mo, yung, at tawag sa ganyan, yung basang-basa anticipated. Pero nakanganga na si Gadapan kinito.
I think so. I think
brings
if-
yung next question mo, ha?
Pati yung kanyang mga suntok, nakikita natin, no? Parang slow motion na eh. He's losing his rhythm. I don't think he's got the stamina to be able to survive 12 rounds.
Pero ako, for whatever it's worth, ibibigay ko yung round na yun kay Gadapan.
Hindi.
Ha?
Ako sa kay Sabaupan.
Sige, sige.
Oh, sige.
Para masaya, usapan mamaya. Paano pag nagkatapos to, hindi natin makukwenta.
Oo, tama.
Ano ka? Subaupan ka, ha? Sige.
Round 5 coming up. Palagay
So,
ko, mauubusan ito si Gadapan.
Pagka inayos natin,
Oh, I think, wala na. Ayaw na. Nakita ko na yung senyales. Ayaw na. You know, I saw it. Winave off na. Kulang talaga sa hangin, partner eh. Although he was able to hit Sabaupan with a nice shot.
Tumama eh. Ito lang yung nakita ko na tumama, pero umayaw. I think yung sinasabi nga natin being a late replacement, he
Well,
quit.
Well, binuhos na niya lahat doon sa last round. Doon sa 4th round, mga kaibigan. And Sabaupan winning this on a technical knockout. Alam mo, nakasuntok din si Sabaupan ng matitindi. And I thought he had a shot to the side of the body that caught the attention ng kanyang kalaban. But sumuko po si Gadapan after 4 rounds. And we saw it coming. Sabi nga natin, yung stamina factor is gonna play a big role.
Ano pangalan
Last
mo?
bit
Galing mo talaga,
substitute.
Na-miss na kita. Ano pangalan mo? Mr. Ginito Henson, ikaw ba yun?
Chino Trinidad, ang pangalan ko.
Pag-usapan natin for whatever it's worth, bago yung pag-quit itong si Gadapan at the end of the 4th round. Ako, sa scorecards ko, again, unofficial, I had Gadapan winning rounds 1, 2, nakuha ni Subaupan yung 10. Yung round number 4 na bago tumirik itong si Gadapan, I also gave that to Gadapan.
Gadapan.
Ikaw, split no?
Hindi, ako naman, 3 out of the 4 rounds binigay ko kay Sabaupan.
Okay. Maganda.
Except yung round number 2.
Ay, hindi na natapos, kaya buti na tumigil na. Pero, yun ang nakakapanghinayang. Would have been a better fight. Pero, yun nga, nakita ni Quinito na yung questionable was the stamina. Tapos sa pagkatatapos, nakita natin, nakanganga na. Ito pong si Gadapan, a late replacement for, ang pangalan nun? Si Ray Muklis ba yun? Yung,
Si Roy
Indonesian.
Muklis.
Roy Muklis.
Indonesian.
Ito ang official time, or ito na, officially, ibibigay na ang corona kay Al Subaupan.
Ladies and gentlemen, unable to continue the fight at rest period of round number 4 for your winner by technical knockout and still the IBF Pan Pacific Lightweight Champion, Al Captain A. Sabaupa.
Yan po, declared winner and retaining his IBF Pan Pacific Lightweight Championship si Al Sabaupan. Hindi na po lumabas for the 5th round na kanyang kalaban na si Jonel Gadapan. And Sabaupan getting the job done, although never po bumagsak si Gadapan in this fight. Neither fighter going down. But kita natin sa round number 4, binigay na ni Gadapan ang lahat. And yet, nakabalik si Sabaupan towards the end with shots to the head and a big shot to the body. That was it. That was a big shot, the right hand to the body. At palagay ko, yun na nagkumbinsi kay Gadapan na sandali, hindi na niya kaya to.
We'll take a break. At ang atin pong main supporting bout coming up.